Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the latest e-commerce marketing trends that you should implement in 2023. As the world becomes increasingly digital, online shopping has become more popular than ever before. Therefore, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest marketing trends to effectively reach your audience and drive sales. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Personalization. Personalization is one of the most significant e-commerce marketing trends to implement in 2023. With so much competition in the online marketplace, it's essential to create a personalized experience for your customers to stand out from the crowd. Personalization can be as simple as using the customer's name in emails or recommending products based on their previous purchases. It can also involve creating targeted ads based on the customer's browsing history or location. By personalizing shopping experience, you'll not only increase customer loyalty but also drive sales. Number 2. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has been around for a while, but it remains a highly effective e-commerce marketing trend to implement in 2023. With social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok growing in popularity, influencers have become a powerful marketing tool. They can help increase brand awareness and drive sales by promoting your products to their followers. However, it's important to choose influencers who align with your brand's values and have an engaged following. Number 3. Video marketing. Video marketing is another trend that's expected to grow in popularity in 2023. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and TikTok, video has become a highly effective way to engage with customers and drive sales. Videos can be used to showcase product demos, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes footage. By creating engaging and informative videos, you'll not only increase brand awareness but also build trust with your customers. Number 4. Social commerce. Social commerce is a game-changing approach to selling products directly through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. By leveraging social commerce, businesses can reach customers where they already spend their time online and provide a seamless shopping experience. For instance, fashion brand Aerie has successfully implemented social commerce on its Instagram profile, enabling customers to purchase products directly through the app. Number 5. AR/VR technology. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies are revolutionizing e-commerce by providing customers with a more immersive shopping experience. With AR and VR, customers can visualize products in 3D and see how they would look in real life. For example, furniture retailer IKEA has developed an AR app that allows customers to place virtual furniture in their homes to see how it would look. Number 6. User-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, has emerged as a powerful marketing tool for e-commerce businesses. Customers trust peer recommendations more than traditional advertising, and featuring UGC on your website and social media channels can help you showcase your products in real-life contexts and build trust with your audience. For instance, fashion brand Reformation has a dedicated UGC section on its website, featuring customer photos of their products. Number 7. Chatbots. Chatbots are increasingly popular in e-commerce, with more businesses using them to provide instant customer support and assistance. By implementing chatbots on your website and social media channels, you can save time and resources while improving the customer experience. For example, beauty brand Sephora has implemented a chatbot on its Facebook Messenger profile, allowing customers to book appointments and receive product recommendations. Number 8. Mobile optimization. Mobile optimization is a crucial factor in the world of e-commerce, as more and more customers are turning to their mobile devices to shop. By optimizing your website and online store for mobile devices, you can provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers, regardless of the device they are using. A prime example of this is fashion retailer ASOS, who have implemented a mobile app that allows customers to easily browse and purchase products on their phones. Number 9. Sustainability. Sustainability is also becoming an increasingly important factor for customers when making purchasing decisions. By implementing sustainable practices and highlighting them in your marketing efforts, you can attract environmentally conscious customers and contribute to a more sustainable future. Outdoor clothing brand Patagonia is a great example of this, as they have implemented sustainable practices such as using recycled materials and repairing and reselling used clothing, and have made sustainability a central part of their brand messaging. Number 10. Voice search optimization. As voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant continue to gain popularity, optimizing for voice search has become an essential e-commerce marketing trend. By optimizing your website and online store for voice search, you can provide a more convenient shopping experience for customers who prefer to use voice search. Walmart is a great example of a retailer who has implemented voice shopping capabilities through Google Assistant, allowing customers to easily add products to their online cart with voice commands. Incorporating these 10 e-commerce marketing trends in 2023 will enable you to enhance the customer experience, expand your reach, and boost sales and customer loyalty, from personalization to influencer marketing, video marketing, social commerce, AR/VR technology, user-generated content, chatbots, mobile optimization, sustainability, and voice search optimization. Each trend presents distinct advantages for e-commerce enterprises. By keeping abreast of the latest trends and implementing them efficiently, you can outperform your competitors and thrive in the dynamic e-commerce arena. And that's a wrap on our latest e-commerce marketing trends to implement in 2023. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to try some of these strategies in your own e-commerce business. Like and share this video with your fellow team members. And subscribe our channel for more video like this.